Good day, New York. Ladies, back to you.
All right, Reagan, thank you. 8:46. It may not be March Madness, but excitement is building for another college sports tournament that's about to begin.
Fox 5's Tina Savasio has all the info this morning. What's going on, Tina?
That's right, Rosanna and Lori. Good morning to the both of you. So the men's and women's NCAA college basketball tournament isn't the only college championship going on right now. Tonight is a selection for the NCAA National Collegiate Women's Bowling Championship. And the Fairleigh Dickinson University women's bowling team from New Jersey is on their way to the bowling big dance. FDU won the Northeast Conference title, earning them an automatic bid to the tournament, which will be in Kansas City starting April 7th. And most of the roster hails from New York and New Jersey, including seniors Jenna Henderson, who's from Washington, New Jersey, and Amanda Cernusky, who's from Schenectady, New York. I had a chance to talk to both seniors, as well as their head coach, Mike Lepresti, who actually had to miss the team's first tournament this season. He was quarantined due to a positive COVID case at his day job as a history teacher at Fairleigh High School in New Jersey, but his team pulled through and they're ready for the postseason.
We're just going to go at it like as it's a regular season event, and to try to get them not to look at it as it's this big, huge moment, that it's something we've done, thousands of times, and it's just a matter of playing the best we can.
Now you're competing with the best in the country. And unfortunately, because of COVID, we haven't seen a lot of those teams in the Midwest. So that's definitely, something we haven't seen in a whole year for most of us, and our, rookies haven't seen it all. So that's a challenge in and of itself. But I mean, I don't think we have to change much. I think it's just, continue doing what we're doing.
Jenna, what are some of the challenges that you guys had to overcome as a team dealing with the coronavirus pandemic?
It's definitely been a change than we've had in previous years. There are 7 of us in this dorm where I live, and then there's 3 other people across campus, and we can't hang out together in a dorm, and just with the restrictions that FDU has put to make everyone safe, it's been a lot harder, forming the connections, but through practices and workouts and everything, we've been able to, build a strong connection between all of us.
And they have overcome it all. The FDU women went 35-3 overall, and this will actually be the program's 13th appearance in the NCAA tournament. The team will watch the selection show on campus tonight, and you can too. It'll be streaming on NCAA.com, which will also stream the entire tournament. So good luck to the FDU women. And Rosanna and Lori, this week it's all about strikes, right? We got to bowl some strikes and we got to throw some strikes with opening day in baseball tomorrow. Now back to the both of you in the studio.
Thank you, Tina. All right.